Welcome to Idol Zimbabwe. What's your name?
Rob.
Rob who?
Rob Jr.
Where are you from?
Zimbabwe.
Which part of Zimbabwe?
Jimba.
Jimba.
Yes.
Have you been there?
No, I've never been there.
So how do you know you're from there?
No, my dad told me we're from Jimba.
Oh, okay. So Rob from Jimba. What are you going to play for us today?
I'm gonna perform Jambanja paHotera.
By Marcus Wanda?
No.
Oh,
By me.
who?
By me.
You wrote it yourself?
Yes, I did.
Okay, please go ahead.
Whoa. paHotera. Mom dropped for Shrika. I thought she had some ice cream. Mama had no ice cream. Mama had some cables. Mama, what you doing? Mama, please stop it. Mama, please stop it.
What did you say the name of the song was?
Jambanja paHotera.
Oh, what had happened when you wrote that song?
Just life events.
Life events, like what happened?
Like thinking someone at a hotel, followed by a mom.